So we are at the Dodge Drift event with all these cars that are coming through here. And so we are gonna do a little thing. I'm gonna be, for the first time, I'm gonna be the passenger. Usually I'm the guy doing this kind of driving. So this will be the first time. My driver, what's your name?
Cole Lofsgaard.
Cole? All right, that's a racer's name, ain't it, right there, Cole. But he'll do it. So let's get inside the car and let's see if he can scare me a little bit. Hell yeah.
Well, it's a good time in these things.
Oh yeah, it's nonstop. It's always that way. I love how you guys get to go through here with the tires too.
Yeah, we have these water trays, and then we also have this
just to cool them off a little bit.
Right here.
Cool.
Yeah, it just keeps the tire temperatures down for us.
That's nice.
So,
I dig it.
It's pretty good.
Oh yeah, flew back there somewhere.
Yeah,
I should know this.